We're back at 27th Heaven Bakeshop in Spokane. Here, owner Lydia Coles is using Washington-grown ingredients to make something magical. Turns out, nothing's better than Washington ingredients in the hands of a skilled baker.
She gets the flavor just spot on. She's always super friendly and warm, and it's always nice talking to her.
The best.
Well, I was active duty in the Navy. I actually looked up a vanilla cupcake recipe online, made that, and was like, wow, the flavor of that is just phenomenal. So I was like, okay, and I'm hooked. I spent that next year-ish making stuff for my sailors.
So you got hooked. You got hooked.
It's more than just a shop. It's like a little home, a little place to go and experience energy and stories and a whole lot of good stuff.
What did your sailors think of your creations?
They were always asking me, ma'am, when are you bringing more cupcakes? Well, when are you going to pay for them?
Yeah, exactly. So what are we going to make today?
We're going to make apple crisp cookies.
Awesome.
So it's kind of a spin on an oatmeal raisin cookie.
Okay.
Delicious.
Apple crisp is like one of my favorite desserts.
I love apple crisp.
Yeah.
I love apples.
Yeah. We've actually never made cookies before on Washington Grown, so
I like
here we
to
go.
For simple, so
yeah,
here we
let's
go.
do it.
Yeah.
What do we need to do first? For our dry ingredients, we start with salt, baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon. Then add cake flour and rolled oats. And this is her recipe. It's written on in pencil. I love it. Any kind of cookie with oats in it seems to be like my favorite. I don't know what it is.
Something makes them feel more like fall, maybe? I don't know.
So what kind of apples are we using today?
Honey crisps.
Honey
They are my favorite.
They are so good.
I think back in the day, all the grandmas are like, no, we have to use Granny Smith for everything. I disagree. I feel like you should use your favorite apples in your
favorite
recipes.
apple.
I used to work on an apple orchard, so I'm very picky about my apples.
Next, Lydia takes some butter and combines it with brown sugar, adds an egg, and stirs it up.
And I always crack my eggs into something that's clear because then you can look in the bottom and you'll see the shell. And actually the best way to get the shell out is with more shell. Sounds crazy.
Okay.
But if you use the big chunk of shell,
To get it out.
it will kind of
Yeah,
like stick
I'll have to try
it.
that next time because I always like trying to use a
Your
spoon or my
fingers
finger and it's
Yeah.
like sliding around. Next, we add apples that have been soaking with brown sugar and cinnamon. Stir it up, then add our dry ingredients.
No, this is the part your mom didn't let you. You had to fight with your siblings if you had any. Who got to lick this?
I know, but not leaving much.
Do you need me to put some back on there for you, Christy?
Yeah, thank you.
There you go. You can see those big chunks of apple in there.
Yeah.
You can smell the brown sugar and the cinnamon.
Well, the dough is really good, so I can't wait for the finished product. We put them in the oven for about 8 minutes, then rotate them and put them back in for 8 more. They're really nice and soft inside. The apples are amazing.
That's why it matters what apples you put in there. Put in your favorite apples. So good.
This is like a good breakfast cookie or something,
Yeah.
right?
Totally.
Or lunch, or dessert,
Snacks.
snacks.
Anytime. Wake up in the middle of the night.
Exactly. Any time of day or night. To get the recipe for 27th Heaven's Apple Crisp Cookies, visit us at wagrown.com.